Good good day everyone. I'm here to front of you to discuss about marketing strategy. Marketing strategy. A marketing strategy can serve as the foundation of a marketing plan. A marketing plan contains a set of specific action required to successfully implement a marketing strategy. So, nakikita naman niyo nga ang mga diskarte yan sa mga tao through social media or ganun or Facebook. Nakapagbaligyan na bago pa ni sir sa una tanga discussion. Kunwari sa Facebook, nakakapag-marketplace kit na. Dito na kit na, nagkiklik-click na la, tapos maka-order ka na sa Chiron. Pero ang pagma-marketing plan talaga, ang importante sa sa'yo na business. Kay doon ta masusugad na magiging successful kit, kumbaga, paplano natin ang atong product na kung paano maging patok sa iba, sa atong customer. Ganun. Implementation process. A marketing managers increasingly function as the boundary spanners, both internally between functional areas and externally with supplies, organizational partners, and customers. Additional efforts to make a strategy implementation process more effective are the high concern in a lot of companies. Ang pagtupad sini na pagproseso sa atong market or business is effective, di ba? Kunwari, di ba saya na ang tao diri na good na mamati, di ba? As a magbabaligya product na kailangan maging consistent kay may nakita mga ka-competition, di ba? Sample sa product bagaw pa. Yan na, to see is to believe. Kay diri na tuod kung diri ka nagahatag sample sa imo mga customer. We have an 4 good implementation process. Number 1 is activities can be implemented. Sa mga ginihimo na pagpapatupad, kinahanglan ta himuon. Kunwari, para maging patok ang atong business, kay diba, competition can enhance a good competency. Sa iba nga nagbe-business, kay kumbaga, na-challenge kit, diba? Kay dun talaga na pasok ang aton sa aton marketing. Number 2, whoism for implementation. As tagyan sa sayo nga business, magpapatupad ak sa mga tao na maging maupay lagya bisan ang pagdarasan customer biskan nalalangot sira. Maging consistent ka dapat kay consistent is the most important in our business para kumbaga waray samok kay kun ako mag-implement san sayo nga product maging mabintag gihapon sa ibang customer kaysa akon pagiging hatag behavior. The time and placement of implementation. Kumbaga sandiyan kung mag-implement ka, dapat naka-time siya sa inyo kung paano mo siya ikagawas. Tapos kung magtitindog ka man, kunwari magtitindog ka kasing business ito doon na dapat arab mo kung saan kan o siya mapapa-open, kumbaga kailangan diri masayang ang oras para maging kumbaga kung ipatindog mo dahil wala siya makukwenta magiging successful ganun. Number 4 is how to implementation will be completed. So, ito na nga ni san imo pag-implement sa sayo na product dapat maupay imo objectives para makumbinsi mo ang customer na pumalit. Kunwari, if may da ka pa, kung sa tingin mo may mas maupay pa ito na product na egsisingit mo tapos tatagan mo sample para mas may ganyo yan pumalit siya sa kanya in imig recommended na product. We have ang barriers of effective implementation of a marketing strategy. Number 1 is external pressure of company. These are pressures originating from the company's external environmental such as social, legal, economic, political, and technological. So, gidiscuss na po ini sa una nga group 4. So, ang social is, di ba sa Facebook, sa marketplace, di ba mayon na mga nag-i-scam, ganun. Tapos, legal, di ba sa mga business permit, kinahanglan na may dakam sa imong pagkukuan sa mga sari-sari store. Kada saya may na mga business permit. Political, diba sa government or ngayon na sa mga uncorrupt na mga official. Ganun. Internal pressure in the marketing function. A. Leadership. B. Organization culture. C. Organizational process. D. Functional policies. E. Resources. And F. Evaluation and control procedures. Number 3. Pressures contained in the marketing function itself. A. Marketing interface with other function. B. The role marketers. C. Marketing feedback. Building implementation effectiveness. Managers are essential facilitators in implementation process. As a manager, sini nga business is kinahanglan ta mag-implement ng mga process and essential na magiging mas effective pa. Some managers are better implements than others. So, kumbaga, di tanan nga managers mas better na magpatupad sa iro business maliban sa iba. Diba? Planners and implementers often have dissimilar strengths and weaknesses. So, pagpaplano, tapos ang pagpapatupad kung mayon pagkakadissimilar sa strength and weaknesses sa iyong business sa pag-implement kung Measurable implementation skills consists of number 1, the ability to understand to how others feels and good bargaining skills, the vigor to be strong and reasonable in putting people and resources where they will be the most effective. Number 2, effectiveness in focusing on the vital aspect of performance is managing marketing activities. The ability of generate is an indispensable informal or organization or network to go with other problem with which they are faced. On top is skillful implementers. Some factor make easy to implementation process. Number 1, organizational structure. Some types of organizational structure support implementation. Product managers of multifunctional coordination teams are helpful to implementation methods. Number 2, incentives. A variety both reward may facilitate in accomplishing successful implementation. Special incentives for intense contents, recognition, and extra compensation are employed to persuade salespeople to sell new products. Communications, especially the correction moment of information through the organization is essential in implementation. Both vertical and horizontal communication are need to linking together the people and activities involved implementation. Strategy control. Control means attempting to make certain the behavior and system match and support predetermined corporate objectives and policies. The foundation of control is the ability to evaluate. So, sa strategy control, diyan ta masusugod na kinahanglan ta na makontrol ang sayo ang pagpaplano sa aton business kay di ba kung magpaplano kit if di ka man to why ka pa labot sa imo business, magiging useless ta ito siya nga pagplano. Kaya kinahanglan ta strategy sa aton pag aton if magigkuang na sa aton product. The control process essential the following steps. 1. Set targets. Ideally, this is incorporated into overall marketing planning. Number 2. Determining the method of measurement or performance assessment. Number 3. Measured. The result is contrasted with the predetermined targets and corrective action if necessary is carried out. So, ini nga tulo ang pinaka-importante sa pagkontrol sa aton business para, di ba, para maging sa kumbaga magiging patok na kung imo ni ipaprocess ang pagkontrol sa aton sa pagdalagan sa aton business. Control be undertaken in the inputs as well as the outputs. This assess managements to optimize the process to undertake a strategic outlook. Typical inputs include the following: finance, such as investments, working capital, and cash. Diba? Doon nakitang magkakuan. Operatives, such as capacity usage, efficiency, and application of machines, system, and other assets. People, such as numbers, quality, skills of staff. Outputs is considered in the term of general system performance. Performance is a resultant from the blend of efficiency and effectiveness. Number 1, efficiency. This is about how well inputs are utilized. It pertains to the maximum use of finance, minimize cost, and function the optimal levels of capacity. Number 2, effectiveness. This is about doing the right things. This relates to relate the performance that will embrace sales revenue, profit, market share, the measure of consumer satisfaction. It is better to practice effectiveness, diba? Ini nga efficiency and effectiveness. Kumbaga, maghimo ka sa nga product. And imo target is kailangan mo ini maabot nga imo magiging efficiency. So, naghimo ka sa nga product, naging efficiency siya. Pero ang effectiveness kulang. Kaya diri ka talaga makakapag ini sa imo product kung ang efficiency and effectiveness diri magkapantay. Maghimo ka man sa nga product kung imo paurgo na magiging effectiveness kung ang imo man product diri maupay ang pagka-taste. Magiging kuan lagi hapon. Kung baga diri magiging patok. Dun sa na magiging kailangan mo maging balance ra nga diba para sa kuan. 6 principles to ensure effective control are here. A. Involvement. It is attained through promoting participation in the process. So, ito nila sa involvement. Diba? Bago pa nila, promoting, advertising dahil na atong iisip. Diba? Sa ads, mag-a-ad kit para kung sa maging ang target ta is makilalan aton product. So, dito. Target setting. The target criteria should be objective and qualifiable. How this is evaluated needs to be communicated to agreed overhead targets need to be thought but feasible. Focus. It recognizes the disparity between the symptoms and the cause of the problem. While it can be practical to heal the symptoms, attempting to know the source of the problem should be removed at once for all. Diba din is niya kailangan maging focus kit sa aton business. Kay kung may problema sa aton kunwari planning, kung mayon dito problem, kailangan ta maagapan para dili siya masyado maging maapektuhan ang imong business. Ganun. Diba? B. Effectiveness. The tendency exists appraise efficiency in contrast of effectiveness. Efficiency is the usage of productivity as asset. Diba itong kanina akong explain? Ambot na lang akong niyo. E. Management by exception. Management interest is directed to areas of need. Identify what compraise exclusion to the standard to help exercise it on right. Management by expectation. Dili permanente sa aton pagmamanage, mag-expect na kit na magiging on na itong siyang atong product. Kinahanglan lagi hapon naton maging kung ba i-manage lagi hapon naton na aton sa pagma-marketing para ma-secure ta nga waray balikat sa aton kung sa ba waray balikat sa aton para maging successful sa aton pagbe-business. Tapos usa talat inisan importante sa aton. Natanangad sira importante sa aton business. Kailangan itong laga kailangan nakamanage sa aton ko. Bawal man kitlat magsobra kay dani mayon lat sa sito na nakukuan takit. Nasusobrahan sa sito. Problems control. We have a three problems as commonly connected the three control system. Number 1, the system can be expensive. The benefits of control as succeed improvements and overshadowed by the cost of control mechanism. Diba? Sa kanina may masyado na sila mga expensive yan sa aton pag-control. Ito na ang pinaka-usang aton sa aton problem sa aton business. Mandua, control system repress effort or creativity. Such a system endures consistency and performance to pre-set targets be developed into various innovation. Yun na nga, mga balikat sa aton pagkukuhan sa aton, innovate sa aton pag-himo, effort sa aton and creativity sa aton pagkukuhan sa aton business. Nagiging problem na rin ini natin. Number 3, control promotes an outlook and expectation as opposed developments. System frequently take care of symptom rather the cause of the problem. Diba? Kailangan talaga sa aton maging control kit sa aton pag-promote sa aton kunwari sa aton pag-promoting sa aton ads, advertising. Kailangan nakakuan ba ito kung sa kuan limited lang diri na masyadong magiging kuan kit sa kanay parang nasusobran makit sa aton pagkukuan pagpupromote sa parang masyadong nakit kuan